Hi everyone, I'm Ed Tapper, back to you again from sunny Mr. C's Auto Mart with a fantastic new arrival. Chrysler 300 is the Highline Chrysler full-size sedan. This is a 2015 Chrysler 300 Limited. So it's a second, there's also a 300S and a 300C. So this has the Penta engine, 3.6 liter, 285 horsepower, but it runs on regular gas and gets close to 30 miles per gallon. Very, very fuel efficient for a V6 and very powerful. It's also the engine in a Grand Cherokee V6 and many other Chrysler Jeep products. So the wheels are these multi-spoke 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 polished aluminum wheels. We have chrome surround window trim. This one has rain guards, body color door handles and mirrors. We take a closer look at these tires. They're 17s. It's leather seats, heated seats with a center armrest. And it's got rear ports for USB, 2 of them, and rear air and heat ducts. The trunk is spacious. It's a full-size car with a temporary spare. We can put this thing up here. There we go. Batteries in the trunk, as you see, which is specific for these cars. It's got the Chrysler badging in very good condition, all serviced up, all the maintenance done, everything. So the car is fully ready to go. It's got 142,000 miles. There's the Chrysler honeycomb grille with the emblem. As we move to the interior, it has power seats and lumbar on both sides. Here's your passenger seat, so it does have a power passenger seat. There's your center armrest. There's your USB card reader and aux ports. Automatic headlamps. Here's your mileage and a digital odometer with those blue LED lights. Very, very attractive. Steering wheel controls for Bluetooth, trip, and cruise. It has a nice analog clock, a Chrysler clock. Very spiffy car with the big 8.4 radio. And it's got controls for your heated seats, your apps, your climate, even mirror dim when we get to it. And of course, Bluetooth, automatic climate control, and push button start. So I'd invite you to come by to take a look. You can visit the website, mrcsautomart.com, for more information, or just call me directly. This is Ed, 708-473-2014. Thanks.